Straight lines. Parallel lines. The straight line which lies in same plane and do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Skew lines. The straight lines which are non-coplanar are called skew lines. Skew lines are not in same plane, they never intersect and can never be parallel. Transversal line. A straight line that intersects two or more coplanar lines is called a transversal line. Alternative interior angles. Angle 3 and angle 6 in the figure form one pair of alternate interior angles, and other pair is angle 4 and angle 5. Exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 8 form a pair of exterior alternate angles, and other pair angle 2 and angle 7. Corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 are one pair of corresponding angles, other pairs angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. Exterior angles. One pair is angle 3 and angle 5, other pair is angle 4 and angle 6. Parallel lines and transversal line. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then 1. Alternate interior angles are equal, that is angle 3 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 5. 2. Alternative exterior angles are equal, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 8 and angle 2 is equal to angle 7. 3. Corresponding angles are equal, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7 and angle 4 is equal to angle 8. 4. Co-interior angles are supplementary, that is angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Sides. Students, when you are asked to draw two lines in a plane, you will draw the lines in the given manners. Line drawn in case 1 and 3, when reduced further, will meet at a point in a plane, so these lines are called intersecting lines. Whereas the line drawn in case 2 will not meet anywhere in plane on producing both sides. The line drawn in case 2 are called parallel lines. Therefore, if two or more lines in a plane do not meet when produced on either side, such lines are called parallel lines. Important points to remember. 1. Two parallel lines have equal distance at all points. 2. A line is parallel to itself. 3. Only one line can be drawn parallel to a given line from a point outside the line. A line which intersects two or more given lines at distinct point is called a transversal line. In the given figure, AB and CD are two lines and transversal EF meets the line AB and CD at point P and Q respectively. EF makes 8 angles with these two lines. Let us label these angles as shown in the figure by numbers 1 to 8. Interior angles. The angles made by the intercepted part PQ of the transversal with the two lines are called interior angles. In the given figure above, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angles. 2. Exterior angles. The angles whose arms do not contain the line segment PQ of the transversal are called exterior angles. In the figure, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are exterior angles. 3. Alternate interior angles. The interior angles which do not form a linear pair and are on the opposite side of the transversal are called alternate interior angles. In the given figure, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6 are pair of alternate interior angles. 4. Consecutive interior angles or allied angles. The interior angles on the same side of the transversal are called consecutive interior angles. In the given figure, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5 are consecutive interior angles. These angles are also called as allied angles. 5. Corresponding angles. The pair of interior and exterior angles which do not form a linear pair and are on the same side of the transversal are called a pair of corresponding angles. There are 4 pairs of corresponding angles. They are angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 5 and angle 1, and angle 4 and angle 8. These are pairs of corresponding angles. Angles axiom. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles are equal, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 5 Angle 4 is equal to angle 8, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Converse of corresponding angles theorem. If transversal intersects two lines in such a way that any one pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Alternate angle axiom. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the pair of alternate interior angles are equal, that is angle 4 is equal to angle 6 and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angles axiom. Adjacent interior angles on the same side of a transversal are called allied angles. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then the allied angles are supplementary. Therefore, angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree and angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Converse. If a transversal cuts two lines in such a way that angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree or angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, then the line AB is parallel to CD.